finna tell y'all how I got away with this shit.
I'm finna teach y'all how to do my famous walking pose, you feel me? Y'all don't let nobody know this, you feel me? But I'm finna teach y'all real quick. Watch me do it.
Tell what for these niggas still going outside by hoes, I don't want no dealings. Shawty, I ain't mad right now, I just think we should just not speak, cause you just don't listen. I had to double my cup up and pour me a four, cause I had to get out of my feelings. I took the car off the lot, then I took that bitch back, cause I wanted to want no ceilings.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy PRYOR, and I'm back with another banger, man. Look, right now, hold on, it just messed up, man, but right now I'm in here watching the Arkansas versus Oklahoma State game. Hey, I'm really waiting on the Colorado versus Nebraska game, bro. I got Colorado money line on my sports betting ticket, so I need them boy. I need Travis Hunter, Shadua Sanders. I need them boy to do their thing, man. But Arkansas is going crazy on Oklahoma State, man. I love that quarterback, man. But look, we got a lot to do today on this vlog, bro. I gotta go take some pictures for Instagram, cause I ain't take no pictures for Instagram in like some months, bro. So I definitely gotta take some pictures, bro. You feel me? Find an outfit in there, and I'm gonna go in the city somewhere and snap it up. You feel me? So we're gonna do a get ready with me, so y'all can check out the drip. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, watch the full video, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Alright, y'all, man, so for the fit of the day, we're gonna go this blue shirt. I got this blue shirt from a pop-up shop like a couple weeks ago, and I thought this one was hard, so we're gonna cop this we're gonna rock this blue shirt. I got some oversized baggy pants. I got these pants from Zara, bro. Like, and this is like a new style for me. Like, this is like my first time wearing some actual baggy pants like this. Like, I usually do the skinnies but flare at the bottom, but for this fit I wanted to go baggy. I feel like if your pants baggy, your shoes gotta be like bulky, you feel me? So we're gonna go with the Balenciagas, bro. Look, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this shirt is a hard blue to match. And I was in the mall looking for some shoes and some pants to go with it, and I forgot I got these in the closet, man. So we're gonna go Balenciagas. Alright, y'all, man, so this the fit, man. I feel like this fresh, you feel me? Like, this how Lil Yachty and his crew be dressing, man, with the oversized pants, you know what I'm saying, the bulky shoes, you feel me? But you gotta add some jewelry to the outfit just to get the outfit a little more spice, you feel me? So, Cuban chain, silver Cuban chain, Cartier watch, you feel me? But look, you gotta have a watch. Like, even if you don't have a chain, you feel me, you gotta have a watch with every outfit you put on, bro. I just feel like the watch just more of a statement piece than a necklace, so you gotta have a watch, man. So, but yeah, this the fit that we finna take some pictures in. You feel me? Y'all go follow me on Instagram @_RioTV. Like my pictures, check out the pictures, and also follow me on TikTok and Facebook, bro. RioTV on all platforms, man. But yeah, that's what we finna watch for the pictures. Let's go take some pictures. Damn. YouTube, man, we at the first location that I'm gonna take my pictures at. I think this called the Buckhead Plaza. And look, when I take my pictures, I like to make sure I'm in a clean, nice area so the background can look good, you feel me? So yeah, we walk around here right now, finna find a little spot to snap it up. So yeah, y'all stay tuned.
Man, I had to sell a pint of walk, but I need more pay. Girlie said she like my accent, she from upstate. Nigga tried me like I was sweet, I ain't no cupcake. Run up the wrong way against the Glock and get you fuck face.
Alright, y'all, man, so look, you gotta come to like a nice little area, you feel me? Take some pictures like on some stilts, you feel me? Take some pictures leaning on the rail, you feel me? Like, we got a Dior store behind us. You can take some pictures in front of the Dior store. Like, your background just gotta be hard. Like, your background hard, it's gonna make the picture hard. I'm trying to tell you. I'm finna teach y'all how to do my famous walking pose, you feel me? Y'all don't let nobody know this, you feel me? But I'm finna teach y'all real quick. Watch me do it. I'm walking too fast?
Yeah, you are. That's why I want to get close in the first place.
You gotta walk slow. I'm gonna walk slow. You gotta walk past the camera, you feel me, and walk slow, and they gotta snap it. They just gotta snap a whole bunch of pictures while you walking, you feel me? And then when you get your phone, you look through the camera, you feel me? And it gonna be something that turn out hard. It gonna look like a model picture, like you walking. You feel me? You gotta walk slow though. Man, you need something popping this shit, man. Watch these people behind me. Sorry. Alright, y'all, man. Like, you feel me? Y'all take them tips, man. Do the model walk and tag me in it, bro. Like, I want to see how y'all pictures turn out. Like, go to my Instagram right now, _RioTV. You feel me? Y'all gonna see my pictures, bro. So, yeah. Hey, man, y'all tap in with Todd Patrick, man. Menswear, bro. They got some gear in here, man, some hard ass clothes, bro. Y'all come tap in. Let's do it.
Yeah, T the biggie, nigga. Nigga, I was broke just like you, nigga. Yeah, my shit together.
These will call my attention right there. Not gonna lie. Start on the side.
Shit, nigga. I was broke, shit. Yeah, yeah, T the biggie, nigga. Let's go. Punch me in. I was broke as fuck, I hit your phone to borrow a couple dollars. I got love for Billy and Scooter, them the ones that kept it solid. Hey, come and play with us like Project Pat will pop your collar. I'm so fucking hood before a foreign, I go and buy Impala. Do that make me a bad dad for selling these drugs in front of my toddler. That nigga Snoop got a babysitter, he stay with a baby bottle. I can't fuck with these new niggas, they sell case like Law and Order. I'm Picasso with that stick behind your way, I paint a portrait. Want no love in this shit, nigga, I came up like an orphan. I'm forever signed to these streets, these drugs like endorsements. Behind that green, I'ma shoot this beat like motherfucking Al Harford. I pray my nigga don't cry me, so my shirt I chrome hearted. If I get a buzz of rapping, will they do me like Lil Lunny? In the day I ride with 50, late at night I ride with 100. Oh, he think he funny, hit him with the mat like Bernie. If you come around, don't be no steering wheel, don't do no turning.
Look, today is a special day. You feel me? Today is a special day. It's my dad's birthday. You know what I'm saying? And I just called him, told him happy birthday. You know what I'm saying? And I said what I could get my pops for my birthday. You know, I mean for his birthday. You feel me? And I know he like Asics. You feel me? He said he like Asics. I got some Asics on right now. You feel me? Pops ain't never had a pair of Asics, man. So what we finna do? We finna start the vlog shopping for my pops. You feel me? Finna go to the mall, see if we can find him some Asics for his birthday. And he in Mobile, Alabama. I stay in Atlanta, but I supposed to be going to Mobile this weekend, so I can take him his gift then. If not, I can ship it, man. But yeah, man, that's how we starting off the vlog, man. Hope all y'all boys doing good. And look, I also got this shirt that I had bought from a pop-up shop. Let me show y'all this shirt. I got this shirt right here that I bought from a pop-up shop like a couple vlogs ago that I still haven't found nothing to wear with it, man. I got these Asics that go with it, but I need some pants, you feel me? So while I'm out here shopping, hopefully I can find some pants to go with that, you know what I'm saying, that shirt, some pants, and I can wear these green Asics, cause these Asics got green on them, you know what I'm saying? Hey look, another thing I ain't show y'all boys yet, man. Ooh. We go Cardi on the wrist, man. We go Cardi on the wrist, you feel me? I think Instagram already seen it, you feel me? I be wearing it, but y'all ain't seen it yet, man. But yes, we go Cardi on the wrist, man. And we still go Apple Watch, you feel me? I just wanted to upgrade my appearance, bro, you feel me? Like I needed something else, like, you feel me? So I went Cardi on the wrist, you feel me? But yeah. Right now I'm finna head to Cumberland Mall. I'm gonna run to a couple different malls, man, if I can't find them. But first stop is Cumberland Mall and see if they got some shoes for Pops, man. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all, man. Pop said he wants some Asics. These what we about to get them right here. And look, y'all, I had these, but I threw mine away, bro. I ran them down. They was like my everyday shoes, and I got rid of them. But they only got 2 pair of Asics. They got these, and they got these. But I feel like they're more pop speed right here, man. So I'm gonna get them some of these. So I really need to go in a couple more stores and see do they have some different colorways. But if they don't, I'm definitely gonna get these for them, man. Them gonna be the one for them. I brought my shirt with me because I need to find some pants to go with this, bro. This how I shop, man. I bring the shirt with me and I just match it up when I walk in different stores. All right, y'all, man. We got these camouflage looking pants right here. Let's see. We got these camo looking pants. I'm trying to see where this go. We go green shirt, the camo pants with a little green in it. With the Aces. Where that go? I don't know, we finna try it on and see though. I mean, this shit ass, boy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this ain't it, bro. This ain't it. I don't know what I would think. This ain't it though. I don't know what kind of pants to wear with this, bro. What color pants? Y'all think blue jeans or something? Like, the shirt's so hard that I gotta come hard with the shirt. I just don't know what type of pants that I can wear with these Aces, bro. This ain't it though, man. We gotta take this off. All right, y'all. I mean, we went to brown, silver, and white Asics, man. I think he gonna like these because, you know what I'm saying, he can wear them with a lot. And I used to have these, so I know he can wear them with a lot, man. So, the other Asics, I wasn't feeling those, man. But, yeah, that's what we got so far for Pop, man.
Fuck these niggas still going outside by hoes, I don't want no dealings. Shawty ain't mad right now, I just think we should just not speak, cause you just don't listen. I had to double my cup up and pour me a four, cause I had to get out of my feelings. I took the car off the lot, then I took that bitch back, cause I wanted the one with no ceilings.